model of the Earth, Moon, and Sun. Here we have the Sun, here we have the Earth, and here we have the Moon. The Earth right now is tilted towards Polaris, which is a star, otherwise known as the North Star. The Moon, its tilt is more towards where Earth is tilted as well. And then the Sun, it doesn't really have a tilt. Okay, and now let's talk about some solar energy which comes from the Sun, which is the electromagnetic spectrum. I can't remember them all off the top of my head, I don't know, but I can try. There's radio, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. So I did remember them all. And then Earth is, I already talked about the till it rotates around its axis, which takes 24 hours. And then Moon's rotation rotates around the Earth, only showing one face, which are the moon phases. Here we have our moon phases, which we start out with our new moon. Then it goes to a waning gibbous crescent. Oh, it's the other way around, never mind. It goes from new moon to waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent, and back to new moon. Okay, and the Earth Moon orbit around the Sun. It takes about 365 days to orbit, and it goes around like this. Right here, we have summer, then we have fall, spring, and back to winter. And moon keeps falling off. Okay, and the distance between the Earth, Sun, Earth, Moon, stuff like that. So the Earth to the Moon is about 400,000 kilometers, and the Earth to the Sun is I don't know that number. The numbers are 149.6 million kilometers. Oh, it's a million. And then the Sun to the Moon is about 147 million kilometers. And then, yes, it did maintain their tilt throughout the seasons. I talked about the seasons. And I talked about the moon phases. And then let's talk about lunar and solar eclipses. Right now, we're in a lunar eclipse, where a lunar eclipse is where the Earth is directly in between the Sun and the Moon, and they're right there. And a solar eclipse is where you have the Moon in between the Earth and the Sun, and they're directly in front of each other. And then gravity. So the three things about gravity are two things, are distance and mass. And the Moon is closer to the Sun, even though the Earth, even though the Sun's gravity is stronger, the force is stronger, it's closer to the Earth, making it stronger. But every year, the Moon moves an inch away from the Sun, Earth getting closer to the Sun. And I believe that concludes my presentation. Thank you.
I just have a clarifying question. The Earth right now you have pointed towards Polaris.
Yes.
So could you show me where winter is? Could you put the Earth in winter?
It is in winter.
It's in winter now?
Yes.
Okay. And can you put it in summertime? Okay. So it goes winter, summer, then spring, fall? Okay. And
Summer?
okay, so that's where you think summer is.
I think I need to make a